Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Wolf Pup 18 RJB. This camper comes in at 22 feet 8 inches and weighs right at 3,700 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your tongue jack, which also has the handle that you can flip over and use a cordless screw gun to run this up and down. 20-pound LP tank bottle that will be filled by the Outpost RV. You have your diamond plate rock guard, curved radius front end. Up front here, we have your storage compartment with the magnetic door latch. Lots of storage inside. As you can see, the spare tire is included as well. Down below, we have your LP quick disconnect up front here. So if you have a portable gas grill, you can just plug it in right there and use the gas on the camper. We also have 4 jacks on the camper, 2 up front and 2 in the back. We have your power awning where each leg is adjustable depending on if the sun's coming down or not. You can adjust the pitch of the awning here. We have your full-size entrance door. It is the black tempered glass door. It is also equipped with a full-size screen door and integrated window. Oversized grab handle. We have your sturdy steps getting into the camper here. Outside speakers that light up blue. Given that it's a toy hauler, we have a ventilation system here. We got one vent here and another one in the back, so you can keep your garage vented out as you're traveling down the road if you're hauling anything with fumes in there. Outside TV connection, so you simply lift your TV up inside, bring it out here and drop it in. We have your TV connections right back here. This is the Adventure package, giving it a 2-inch lift, the diamond plate that goes all the way across the bottom, and this off-road tire. The center cap is popped off. These are the quick easy lube axles. Both wheels have self-adjusting brakes and this tire pressure monitoring system. And how that works, the side of this will turn red if you're low on air. So we'll unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. We are pet friendly. We have your leash latch here so the furry family members can tag along. We have the patio system all set up for you. As you can see, it's got the screen that goes all the way around it on the patio here. It also has a screen wall that will drop down in the middle. It comes included with a backup camera, bright LED light back here, and then we also have the moon shade. It is posted up on the wall, but it is a tent that will cover the entire back here, giving you some more shade over the patio. Here we have that other vent. Up top, we have the prep for the ladder. There's a telescoping ladder you can buy separately to get on the roof. Here we have your black tank flush. When you're done camping for the week or weekend, hook your water hose up here. That'll blast out the black tank for you. We have your furnace vent. This is a 30 amp unit and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. Here we have an LED light by your connections and dump station. Down below we have your dump station with a gray handle for your gray tank, black handle for your black tank. Up top with your water connections, on the left is the fresh water. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you'll fill up your fresh water tank here, turn on your water pump and use that water. If you're at a campground or your house, you simply hook up the water hose here and that'll pressurize the lines for you. We also have a low pressure spray port and outside shower here with your hot and cold water. And last but not least, we have the on-demand water heater. It is a tankless system, gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water. So about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Wolf Pup 18 RJB, and now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice that we have the queen mattress to your right. The bathroom door is straight ahead. Opens up to the kitchen area over here. Dinette in the back. Nice large windows. And then we'll go ahead and get started right on this side over here. We have a 110 outlet. We have your main control panel to see how full your tanks are. Turn on your water pump. There are also 12-volt heating pads on all of the holding tanks. You can turn those on and off here. Light switches, and then to run your awning in and out. Right up above that is going to be the vent. We have your TV connections up on the ceiling, TV bracket on the wall. Again, with these large windows over here. We'll go down and take a look at the tie-down brackets. As you can see, they run several tie-down brackets throughout the camper. There's another one hiding around the corner there. So you're able to pull stuff all the way up here. We have your overhead cabinets right up above this rear window. And again, with the dinette back here, this can also allow you to put the table flat, push the cushions together and get another sleeping area back here. The patio system really opens everything up, lets in a lot of light and fresh air here. We have the screen wall that can roll down. That'll help keep the air in and bugs out. There's also windows in the middle of that with screens that you can open up for extra light if that is down. In the back corner here, right behind that cushion, we have another vent for that cross ventilation. 110 outlet and 12-volt charge port here. In the kitchen area, we have your stereo, which is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible. Right up above that, we have your voltmeter. We have 200 watts of solar on the camper currently. Your refrigerator is 12 volt only, so that will also help you run it while traveling down the road. We also have your microwave here. Right underneath that, we have your range vent. We have this large window in the kitchen. Lots of counter space here. We have your high-rise faucet, built-in soap dispenser as well. The sink is going to come with that prep cover, so you can utilize that as prep space if you are not using the sink. 2-burner stove, again with the extra prep space as well. Down here we have some storage compartments. We'll open those up and take a look here. We got storage up top, and the bottom left one is open as well with the trash can included. Underneath the 2-burner stove, you're going to have your furnace. And then underneath the refrigerator, we have your breakers and fuses. The red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch that'll kill all 12-volt power to the battery. We have a CO2 detector. Again, with this 12-volt refrigerator, it is going to be the dual swing door, so you can actually open it from the left or right-hand side, which is a neat feature in here. And that is going to be for the fridge and freezer. You can actually open those up on both sides here. Nice big freezer area. Fit a lot of ice cream in there. As we move back towards the bedroom area, we have your thermostat on the wall. That'll run the furnace for you. And then up front here in the bedroom area, we have your mattress. We got a window here at the foot of the bed. You'll notice there is a bunk up top, and that also comes with a mattress for extra sleeping up top here. At the head of the bed, you have a built-in headboard, lights on both sides, 12-volt charge port on the left. Over on the right, it has that 110 outlet, and that has a built-in inverter. So as you're traveling down the road, if you pull over to a gas station, you can turn that on and have 110 power at that outlet. And of course, the window at the head of the bed. In the bathroom area, walk right into the toilet. Over here on the right-hand side, we have your digital thermostat. That is for your on-demand water heater to turn that on and off and adjust the temperature as well. We have some hangers or some hooks on the wall here to hang your towels up. Up top, we have the exhaust fan. In the shower area, we have this curtain that will pull across. Up top, it is curved as well to help keep the curtain away from you. We have the shower surround. Up top, we have the shower head, a built-in sink over here in the corner as well. And then, of course, we have the shower pan down below. We'll step back outside into the main living room area. I would like to show you the ceiling real quick to take a look at the speakers and the air conditioner as well. As you can see, the AC is a roof mount AC, and it will have your controls right up top for you. And then the speakers, there are 3 interior speakers. We have 1 subwoofer and 2 speakers, and those light up blue back there. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Wolf Pup 18 RJBW. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.